power supply. This is a 5 volt power supply. This is for bulb. So you want to switch on the two switches. Then automatically system will be on. This is the up down counter. So this is the direction of room entering. Here one IR sensor, that's it, one IR sensor. This is the temperature, thermocouple. Then this is the thermocouple module, relay, Arduino microcontroller. This is the bulb holder. So now count the lobby. Now here is having the zoom on the letter 0. Count to 0. Temperature is 30.75 approximately. So now we are entering the room. So that time here one sensor is cutter, then lighting. Next we will be going here. The bulb will be automatically on. Now the count coming. Now the count is 1. Count is 1. So similarly, so the person is coming from this side, outside of the room. The sensor in the room, not in the room, light on the display in the room. So now here 2 first cutter, then cutter the 1. So automatically count is 0. The bulb is off. Suppose you have to enter that person, then touch the sensor in the body. So count is 1. Temperature is 31.25 temperature, the body temperature. So now suppose second person is entering. This is the count is 1 now. Now the second person is entered. First sensor, then second sensor, count is 2. So this is the 2. Count for 2. Similarly third person. Similarly you are entering means automatically first sensor, then second sensor, the count is 3. So similarly it will be increasing. 3, 4, 5, 6, 9. Suppose the person is entering here to there, the sensor will be, the count will be 2 because one person is comes out. Similarly another person also, one person is coming out. So you have to wait for 1 second approximately sensor, 1 count. Similarly, hello, 0, automatically it will be off. Hello, சொல்லுங்க madam.
Okay.
So now the explanation. This is the IR sensor, one for transmitter, one for receiver. This is the IR sensor. This is the distance adjustment variable resistor. So this is VCC ground one signal to the microcontroller. Similarly here one IR sensor given to the microcontroller. This is the thermocouple sensor. This is the module, amplifier module. This is goes to the microcontroller. VCC ground, then signal is given to the microcontroller. This is relay board. One relay is used. Then this is the bulb holder. So this is the power supply. 12 volt to 230 volt is converted to 5 volt power supply. So this is for kit power supply. So now this is the Arduino microcontroller. This is LCD display. So whenever the person is entering, the count will be increasing. The temperature also will be increasing. Suppose if you have to heat the temperature. Now temperature sensor coming. Now the heater will be on. See here, the temperature will be increasing. 33, 36, 38, 41. Similarly, the temperature sensor will be working. Suppose heat will be there means automatically it will be increasing the temperature sensor. The person is coming out, so automatically it will be count will be 0 time will be off. This is the reset button. You got to reset it to that button, reset button. Check on it.